I'll be showing how to make a gear in Fusion 360. First you need to do a line sketch. This will be how big the teeth on the gear will be. Next do a circle, doesn't matter what kind. And put the center point here and make sure that they're intersecting just a small amount. So just put the other end over here on the corner of the square. Then extrude this, the tooth of the gear. Doesn't matter how. Yeah, you might have to go into sketches and make that one visible after that, but then extrude this to whatever height. Next go to create, pattern, circular. Make sure the pattern type is on bodies. And for the objects, select the tooth. And for the axis, select this. Then just put 20 teeth for the gear. And OK. Then go to modify, combine, select this as the target body, then hold shift and select all the remaining teeth of the gear. Okay. Make sure it's on join, then OK, and there's the gear.